Thousands of scientists are continuously trying to find clues of intelligent life forms across the vastness of the universe.
In 1977, a peculiar event occurred, one that has intrigued, baffled, and sparked countless debates among scientists and enthusiasts alike. A radio signal, unlike anything ever detected before, was captured from the depths of space. This signal, now famously known as the WOW signal, has led many to question. Welcome to Unveiling the Unexplained, where we dive into the mysteries of our universe. Today, we unravel the enigma of the WOW signal. Is it possible that this strange signal was a direct communication from extraterrestrial beings, or was it simply an unexplained anomaly? Let's explore the facts, theories, and ongoing search for answers. On August 15, 1977, astronomer Jerry R. Amon was working with the Big Ear radio telescope at Ohio State University. The telescope was part of a project conducted by SETI, the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, aimed at scanning the cosmos for signs of life beyond Earth. Little did he know, this night would mark a historic moment in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. As Amon reviewed the data logs, he noticed something extraordinary, a 72-second signal that stood out from the usual cosmic background noise. The signal was so strong and unique that Amon famously wrote "WOW" in red ink next to the printout, giving the signal its now iconic name. But what made the WOW signal so special? The signal originated from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius, near the star group Chi Sagittarii. Its frequency, 1,420 megahertz, is particularly intriguing because it is the natural emission frequency of hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe. In the search for extraterrestrial life, this frequency is considered a likely candidate for interstellar communication. This discovery was not just a fleeting blip, it was a strong, continuous signal lasting for the full 72 seconds that the telescope's observation window allowed. However, what makes this more mysterious is that the signal wasn't detected when the telescope's array moved away from that region of the sky. Scientists were left with more questions than answers. Why was it a one-time event? Was it truly extraterrestrial? Or was there a terrestrial explanation we hadn't considered? What do you think about the WOW signal so far? Could it be a message from beyond? Or is there a more mundane explanation we haven't discovered yet? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Since its discovery, the WOW signal has sparked a myriad of theories. The most tantalizing of these is, of course, the idea that it was a message from an alien civilization. The frequency and intensity of the signal, coupled with its unexplained nature, led many to believe that it could be an intentional communication from intelligent beings. However, the scientific community is cautious. The history of radio astronomy is filled with signals that were initially thought to be from extraterrestrial sources but later debunked. For example, pulsars, rotating neutron stars, were first detected in 1967 and were initially nicknamed "little green men" due to the regularity of their signals. It was later understood that these signals were natural, not artificial. Researchers have tried to explain the WOW signal using natural or man-made sources. Some have suggested that it could have been a signal reflected off a piece of space debris or a broadcast from Earth that was bounced back by a satellite. Others have proposed more exotic explanations, such as an unknown natural source in deep space that we haven't yet identified. But none of these explanations fully account for the characteristics of the signal. For one, the frequency of 1,420 megahertz is heavily regulated on Earth to prevent interference with astronomical observations. Additionally, no nearby satellites were transmitting at that frequency at the time, ruling out the possibility of a simple reflection. Another interesting theory is that the WOW signal could have been a naturally occurring phenomenon from within our own solar system. Some have speculated that it might have been caused by a reflection of a signal from the Earth's surface off a passing object like a meteor, or even a passing spacecraft. But this too remains speculative without solid evidence. Have you heard of any other mysterious space signals? What are your thoughts on how they compare to the WOW signal? Share your ideas below. In the decades since the WOW signal was first detected, the search for its source continues. With advances in technology, new attempts have been made to identify the origin of the signal. Projects like the Breakthrough Listen initiative, which is the largest ever scientific research program aimed at finding evidence of intelligent life beyond Earth, have re-examined the data, scanning the skies with greater precision than ever before. Interestingly, in 2017, an astronomer named Antonio Paris proposed a new theory suggesting that the WOW signal might have been caused by a pair of comets, 266P/Christensen and 335P/Gibbs, that were near the region of the sky where the signal was detected. These comets were surrounded by clouds of hydrogen, which could theoretically emit a signal at the 1,420 megahertz frequency. Paris and his team conducted observations of the comets and detected similar signals, lending some credence to this theory. However, this theory is still debated within the scientific community. Critics argue that the comets in question were not in the right position to account for the WOW signal at the time it was detected. Moreover, the intensity of the signal detected in 1977 was much stronger than what would be expected from a hydrogen cloud surrounding a comet. The intrigue surrounding the WOW signal continues to inspire astronomers and researchers. It has also captured the imagination of the public, becoming a symbol of the tantalizing possibility that we are not alone in the universe. The question remains, if not a comet, then what? Was it a one-time event, or is there something out there that we're still missing? What do you think about the comet theory? Does it seem plausible, or do you believe there's a different explanation for the WOW signal? Drop your theories in the comments. Whether or not the WOW signal was a message from another civilization, its impact on the scientific community and popular culture cannot be understated. It has fueled our curiosity and reminded us of the vastness of the universe, a universe that still holds countless mysteries waiting to be uncovered. The WOW signal stands as a testament to the importance of the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. It represents the hope that one day we might make contact with another civilization, one that could change our understanding of the cosmos forever. The ongoing search for answers, even after all these years, highlights our innate desire to explore and understand the unknown. Moreover, the WOW signal has sparked a wider interest in SETI and the broader scientific efforts to discover life beyond Earth. It serves as a reminder that even though we may not have definitive proof of extraterrestrial life yet, the search itself is valuable. It pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and keeps us looking upward, wondering what lies beyond our world. As we continue to explore the depths of space, the mystery of the WOW signal remains a beacon of the unknown, challenging us to keep asking questions. Could there be more signals out there waiting to be discovered? What would it mean for humanity if we did find conclusive evidence of alien life? What do you think the WOW signal means for our search for extraterrestrial life? Do you believe we'll ever find definitive proof? Let's discuss it in the comments. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the mystery of the WOW signal. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more deep dives into the unknown. Share this video with friends who love space mysteries, and let's explore the cosmos together. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep wondering what lies beyond our world.